Hi everyone, my name is Munir Ahmed Khan and I am a full stack web developer with over 4 years of experience in the web development field. One common thing I hear from aspiring developer is we are learning JavaScript, we understand the syntax but we can't build logic. They get stuck when it's time to create a real project. That's exactly why I am starting this brand new series where I will teach you how to build logic step by step in JavaScript. We will start from beginner level project and gradually move to advanced ones. You will not just understand JavaScript, you will be able to use it confidently in real world scenarios. So if you are serious about improving your skills and want to level up your JavaScript logic, follow me for this exciting journey and don't forget to share this with your friends who might be struggling too. If you are looking for web development services, you can reach me on a WhatsApp. The number is in my bio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.